Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best 3/8 washers flat is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in countless DIY projects and professional applications, providing crucial support and load distribution to fasteners. Whether you're assembling furniture, working on automotive repairs, or undertaking a major construction project, the right washer can significantly enhance the integrity and longevity of your work, preventing damage to surfaces and ensuring a secure fit. Understanding the nuances of these seemingly simple metal rings is key to achieving professional-grade results and avoiding costly mistakes down the line, making them a vital consideration for any builder or tinkerer. Number 5. 3/8 Stainless Steel Flat Washers, 100 Pack. Introducing our 100 pack of 3/8-inch flat washers. They are crafted from high-quality 18-8, 304, stainless steel for superior durability. These washers offer excellent corrosion resistance and are highly hygienic. Their durable nature makes them easy to maintain for long-lasting use. Designed to distribute fastener load evenly, they reduce heat and friction during tightening. They provide a smooth bearing surface under bolts or nuts. Meeting USA standards, these are suitable for SAE-size screws and nuts. Their precise dimensions ensure a perfect fit for your applications. Each type of washer is individually packaged in a small poly bag. This makes it easy for you to access and use the exact size you need. These plain washers are ideal for a wide range of general uses. They are essential for ensuring proper load distribution and fastener performance. What we like. If you need a durable and corrosion-resistant washer that meets American standards, this is a great choice. The individual packaging makes it easy to keep them organized. It's ideal for general use where reliability and ease of handling are important. What people say. The washer is made of stainless steel, which is rust-resistant and durable. These washers are precisely sized and fit perfectly with 3/8 bolts. The flat design ensures even weight distribution, preventing damage to surfaces. Number 4. Hillman 3/8 Stainless Steel Flat Washers. Introducing the Hillman 3/8 Stainless Steel Flat Washers. These are essential hardware components designed for a variety of applications. These flat washers are ideal for increasing the load-bearing surface under a fastener's head. They help prevent bolts or nuts from pulling through a surface. Crafted from durable stainless steel, they offer excellent protection against rust and corrosion. The polished finish ensures long-lasting performance in various environments. Made from robust stainless steel, these washers are built to last. They provide reliable fastening for wood, metal, and construction projects. Trust in Hillman's commitment to quality. These fastening solutions are engineered for dependable performance in all your repair and home improvement needs. What we like. For applications demanding excellent rust and corrosion protection, especially in various environments, this option stands out. Its polished stainless steel finish ensures long-lasting performance. If you're working on projects where durability and resistance to the elements are key, consider this. What people say. They're flat washers, not much to really say except they appear to be of high quality. They're 1.2 mm thick. I bought them to attach a U-bolt to the sheet metal floor of a car trunk. They did the trick. All of them look and are sized the same and of uniform thickness, showing decent quality control. Number 3. Fender Washers 304 Stainless Steel Assortment Kit. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, these washers offer exceptional corrosion and wear resistance. They are built to last, even in challenging environments. This kit provides a wide range of 12 sizes, from M3 to M12. You'll have the perfect fit for almost any project, whether at home or in industrial settings. With 100 pieces included, this assortment covers diverse applications. Each washer is designed for a specific purpose, ensuring you have the right one when you need it. These flat washers are designed to reduce friction and distribute pressure evenly. They are ideal for preventing leaks in pipelines and ensuring components work smoothly. Their strong bearing capacity makes them highly compatible with screws and bolts. Use them in automotive, home appliances, and various industrial products for reliable performance. All the washers are neatly organized in a transparent box with a zip lock. This keeps the different sizes separate and easily accessible, preventing any mix-ups. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile solution that covers a wide range of needs, this assortment kit is perfect. It includes multiple sizes of high-quality 304 stainless steel washers for various home and industrial applications. This is ideal for DIYers or professionals who need a variety of sizes on hand. What people say. Organized in a sturdy case. They seem durable, give a variety of choice for projects. No really big ones, but the sizes I prefer in a nice compartmentalized box. This was completely intact and all washers arrived in different bags by size to protect from mixing in transit. Nicely done. Number 2. 38x1 Stainless Fender Flat Washer 50 PCS. Introducing our 38x1 stainless steel Fender flat washers. These come in a pack of 50 pieces, perfect for various applications. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, they offer exceptional strength and resistance to corrosion. You can rely on them in harsh environments. Their flat design is engineered to distribute fastener loads effectively. This prevents nuts, bolts, or screws from damaging the base material. These washers are ideal for a wide range of applications, including automotive, fixtures, sheet metal work, and plumbing. They perform well both indoors and outdoors. With superior rust and oxidation resistance, these washers are built for long-lasting use. They provide reliable performance wherever you need them. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out, and we'll assist you promptly. What we like. When you need to distribute load over a larger area and prevent fasteners from pulling through, these large OD Fender washers are the answer. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, they offer excellent rust and oxidation resistance. They are particularly well suited for sheet metal work, automotive, and plumbing applications. What people say. I use them on deck screws where I need to pull the screw very tight without sinking the head into the wood. They work great. These are thicker than what I am able to get at my local box store. Well made, smooth edges. Number 1. Hillman 100 PCS Zinc Fender Washers. Introducing Hillman's 100-piece Zinc Fender washers. These are designed with a larger surface area than standard washers. Their design prevents nuts, bolts, or screws from pulling through your material. This ensures a more secure and stable connection. Crafted from durable, zinc-plated steel, these washers offer reliable performance. The zinc plating provides resistance to corrosion. These are ideal for a wide range of projects, including metalwork, woodworking, and general home improvement. They reinforce fasteners in various applications. Trust in Hillman's commitment to quality. Our fastening solutions are engineered for dependable performance in all your construction and repair needs. What we like. If your project involves sheet metal, wood, or general construction where a larger bearing surface is beneficial, these Fender washers are a solid choice. The zinc plating offers good corrosion resistance for various fastening projects. They are excellent for reinforcing connections and preventing pull-through in DIY and professional builds. What people say. Good quality, and as described, I use these as backers for rivets in softer material. Great quality for the price, fast shipping, consistent shape and tooling as well as holes, thankfully. Works as it should, great value for the money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.